I get a certain question that what type of sales process is appropriate for my business? Should I be doing email marketing? Should I be doing cold calling? Should I be sending people on field? Well, if you are just a beginner, go for social media marketing, attract your customers, do the inbound marketing. You're attracting your customers, all right, do that. And do the cold calling as well, because nobody knows you. Yeah, nobody know you in that long term, right? You don't have that reputation yet. So do the cold calling and do the social media marketing. And if you're really well known in the market, people are gonna grab you. People are gonna find you from the Google search, Google My Business, and they're gonna get you from your websites because the SEO is done really well. So they're gonna grab the attraction and they're gonna get inside your business. All right, they will be contacting you by your ads, by your email marketing. When you get a certain point, do the email marketing, do the ads. All right. It also can work in another way for different types of niche, different types of services. All right. So you can try all the things. There's no such thing as right thing for my business at right moment. But I would suggest do the social media marketing from the very beginning. It's an asset. Thank you.